Hello, hi everyone. Good to see
Hello,
all of you.
Hi, Tuan.
Can you hear me?
we can hear
Yep.
you. Can you hear
Okay,
us?
good, good. Let me turn up the volume. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. So the election is over now. Trump won. A great jump today, right? So rate have gone up a lot. Let me share with you my screen. And in today's webinar, I want to share with you a lot more about me, about Loan Factory. What do I do to get a lot of loans, a lot of clients? What Loan Factory can help you so that you can be a better investor, so that you can compete, so that you can grow your business. So I will share with you all the benefit that we offer our loan officers. I will show you our system, our technology. I will show you how we move a loan from A to Z, from starting to funded, and how you get commission, all that. So, and at the end, I will open up for a question. Of course, during along the way, if you have question, if you want me to clarify more about what I just said, you should raise your hand and ask me. But if it's not related to what I just talked about, please wait to the end, okay? Because we're gonna cover a lot. We're gonna go over a lot of information. And I want all of you to be critical whatever I say, try to think and try to ask a lot of questions, okay? Thank you. So I'm sharing with you my screen, and you can see my screen, right? Today, the 10-year bond yield has gone up 15 bps. That means mortgage rate jump around 15 bps, 100 bps. So if you notice, since the Fed cut rate like a month and a half ago, rate had jumped almost 1%, more than 80 basis points. So rate went up a lot, and that means the refinance might not be anytime soon. Okay, so rate have gone up a lot, and my advice for all of you is try to improve, try to get better, try to slowly improve so that when market return, you are a better loan officer. You can be successful in the long run, not right away. It's very hard to be successful in this market. It is really a bad market right now. Okay, so this is the rate, interest rate have gone up and continue to go up. I'm gonna share with you my the website loanfactory.com. So here is our main website, loanfactory.com, and if you notice that we have this $1,000 lowest rate guarantee, and not many company or loan officer in America dare to have this program. So this program basically, if you read the term and condition here, so basically we promise our client that we have the lowest rate. If not, we pay them $1,000. And the client will upload the loan estimate here. There's 3 steps. Step 1, they upload the loan estimate. Step 2, we tell them if we can beat it or not. If we cannot beat it, they close the loan, they send us the CD, we pay them $1,000. Okay, so as you know, this program you might never heard about it, right? It's so aggressive, and it's a good program. The potential client or your client, when they see this program, they would trust you. They would think that, wow, you must have very good rate. You must work with very good lender, and they should work with you, right? So that they have better rate. So you can use this program to promote. You can use this program to promote so that you can have more clients. And the term and condition here, so basically we exclude the bank, the jumbo, high balance jumbo. We only honor conventional conforming loan, FHA, VA, USDA loan. And that's it. We don't honor the builder lender or the jumbo loan, high balance loan. So when you join Loan Factory, you can promote this program in these 11 states. And see, this is just one example that make Loan Factory different and better than whatever company out there. Because you are with your company right now, what do they help you so that you can promote yourself, so that you can get more clients, right? At Loan Factory, you can promote this program so that you have more clients. So this is one example. There's many other I will share with you later on. So marketing is important. You need to, in this market, there is so much competition. There's so much competition. And if you don't stand out from the competition, if the consumer look at you and say, oh, she's just a normal loan officer, why would they want to work with you, right? If you're not standing out, if you're not better, if you're a good loan officer, why would someone want to work with you, right? So that means of course, you can do a lot of marketing. A lot of people make this mistake. Of course, it's important to be active on social media. You need to promote a lot, right? You need to be active. You need to promote yourself. But if all your posts, all your comment, whatever you do is just average, then you don't impress anyone. And people don't pick you because you're average. You are nothing special. So that's why when you do marketing on social media, you need to be special. You need to be different. You need to get their attention so that they will know you. So imagine, remember the client, when they need mortgage, they don't come to you right away. And they don't need mortgage right away. Most of them need mortgage in 6 months, a year, or 2 years from now, right? And they start paying attention. Oh, next year I'm going to buy the house. I better watch out. Who can be my loan officer? So they will watch out for loan officer out there. And when they see you, they see your ass, they impress. They say, wow, this lady, I saw her. Ass is impressive. And then they keep watching you. They keep seeing you. And that's how things improve, right? They keep watching you. They keep seeing you. They get familiar with you. They start liking you. And then they want to work with you. So it's not a simple process. It takes a long time. And you need to impress your potential client. So I hope you understand what I mean so that you can apply that for your business. So $1,000 lowest rate guarantee is a great program that you should take advantage of. And, I turned my website into a tool that helped me get clients. And this is the reason why last month I closed 85 loans. Last month I closed 85 loans myself. So you should pay attention how I have so many clients. So on the right side here, you can see a quote form where the client can run the pricing, right? And our pricing engine, we built in-house, and it's super good. It's good because it's super easy to use. It's way better than Loan Sifter. It's way easier to use than Loan Sifter. You see consumer, you answer a few information here, right? And then we have this program called, we check for the affordable home ownership program for the client. So the client can simply say, oh, my income is $210,000. They select this. right? You can see, and the consumer can see they qualify for this rate discount. They can see the criteria, and they can see the rate that they can get. You know, a lot of loan officers don't even aware of this program, don't even know how to apply that for your clients. You know, the moment you join Loan Factory, you have all of this to empower you. And you can see the rate is 6.625 with credit back, or 6.5% with a little bit of point. You know, imagine, for example, the client score is 640, right? You check it out. If the client score is 640, you, a client, can click on the lender name to see the adjustment. And you can see that there is an adjustment of 2.25% because of low credit score. But in this case, this adjustment wiped out, almost $10,000 wiped out. Imagine you use Loan Shifter, you use auto pricing engine, and you don't aware of this program. So that means you assume the income is high, right? They qualify. You think that good income is good, right? A lot of loan officers think that, oh, my client income is 300,000 a year, then they should deserve the best rate, right? You are wrong. Because their income is too high. Look at the rate here, 7.375%. Because they get hit with this adjustment, because their credit score is low. But imagine you use our pricing engine and you change, you say, oh, the income is only 120% of AMI, or less than 216,000. Then you can see the rate drop significantly, 6.5%. So imagine you don't use our tool. You work for your company right now. You quote the client 7.375%. And you tell them, hey, your score is too low, 640. I'm sorry, your score is too low, and that's why the rate is too high. And then the client comes to me and call me, Tuan, I want to quote. And I quote them 6.5% with no point. Of course, the client will go with me, and you lose the client. You see how important it is to use the right tool to help your business, right? Hello, hi, Bo.
Hey, can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Yeah, I just wanted to add on, this is a great tool because a lot of the times, especially in the brokerage industry, we're having to quote with like one lender and then another one. So this is just fantastic that you're able to do everything on one page.
Yes. And let me share with you a few more great things. So, for example, this house in Texas somewhere, right? And the client say, oh, my income is, or like here in California, 144K. Then the client can qualify for this program, 2-1 buy down, which paid for by the lender. The lender paid for it. And you can see here, this is amazing. Imagine you can offer your client a super low rate, like this. See, right here, the first year 4.625%, the second year 5.625. So basically, the loan is 6.625%, 30-year fixed, right? But the first 2 years, the borrower get lower rate. It's a 2-1 buy down, paid for by lender, paid by lender. So imagine you can promote this program on social media. Hey, rate went up, but you can get 4.625 with me for the first year. And then second year is this, third year is this. So you can promote this program. And this is how much they save. Imagine you can save the client this much. They will love you and remember you forever, right? You want to offer this program. The problem is so many loan officers out there, choose to work with European. They don't have this program, and their rates are so high. And that is one of the reasons why I don't understand why so many loan officers choose to work with a lender that have high rate. Why would you send your loan to a lender with high rate? And at the end, the rate that you offer to your client is too high, or you have to cut down your profit so that the client can get better rate. Why would you do that? Well, at Loan Factory, we shop around every single client for your client. See, every rate, we have 26 lender. And if you expand it, you can see the ranking of all the lender. So we shop around every single loan to make sure our client will have the best rate. The problem with many loan officers out there is because we work for a small brokerage, they only, and because of that, the brokerage only sign up with 2 or 3 different lenders, not a lot. You don't have a choice. You don't know how to shop around. You don't have the resources or the time to send it to a new lender. You know, at Loan Factory, every single loan, just send it to the new lender if they give you the best rate. You know, lender is playing game, right? Almost all of them playing game. They keep changing the rate every day. So if you run the pricing, you can see the rate keep moving. Some day they have the best rate. Sometimes the rate are terrible, right? And most of us don't know that, or unable to take advantage of the pricing engine, or take advantage of being a broker. You can shop around. You can send your loan to the best lender. So at the end, you and your client are suffering. And do you know that most loan officer, you cannot grow your production, you cannot be a top producer because you keep losing your client. Because the client, after they do loan with you, they say, I will never work with you again because your rate are too high. They don't tell you, but they know that. They talk to their friend, their family, and their friend and family say, oh, Loan Factory have better rate. You better go there. And then they go to loanfactory.com website. They check the rate. They say, wow, this rate is so much lower. So my loan officer is not helping me. He ripped me off. He ripped me off. He charged me higher rate. And that's why the client will not want to work with you again. And that's why if you look around, most loan officers cannot retain their client. But at Loan Factory, that rate is more than 80%. We make sure every single client come to us, they are happy with us. We're happy with the rate, the service, the technology, everything. And I will show you. But right now you can see the rate are so good, right? And I want all of you to compare because your client is shopping around on you. They shop around. So if you don't have a good rate, you lose out, right?
Is limited comp 1%?
This is the comp is 1%. If you click on, you can click on the lender name, you can see the broker comp is 1%. So if you want to compare, these rates are for consumer. When you offer the consumer this rate, the lender pay us 1%. So that to make everything easy to understand. Okay? So I want you to do the comparison. Compare your rate versus Loan Factory. Okay? Not only we have the best rate, but also we have the lowest cost. And I will go to that later for you. Lowest cost for you. You will save so much money working with Loan Factory. I will go to that later. And our software is the best out there. You don't need to buy any other software. We offer everything that you need. So for example, when you talk to your client, the client will say, hey, I want to know the rate, right? You can copy the link here and send it to the client. Or you can compare this rate. Let's say the client wants to buy it out. And you say, oh, you can buy it out. You pay $3,800, you get 6.25%. So you can compare the two rate and click in here so that you can see the comparison. The client can save 30,000. You can share that with your client. Or let's say the client want to know, well, what if I want to do 20 year? You can click on 20 year, and you can click on 20 year and compare that. Select the rate and compare, or 15 years and compare. You can select 15 year and compare, and you can see that with 15 years, the client can save $275,000. So you can see how fast and easy is our software, and you can share that to your client. You can just click here and share that, right? Or you can even better. Let's say the rate drop, the client want to refinance, but then they want to compare, should they refinance or not? You can go here and say, oh, you have 27 years and 3 months left, and your rate is 7.75%. You can compare and send it to them. Even better, if the client say, oh, my income is only $7,000 a month, am I qualified? You can go here and click on qualify now, and then enter $8,000 or $7,000. The system can tell, oh, DTI is less than 50%. You can qualify. See how fast I get things done, and you can answer your client. You can see all the breakdown of the payment. You can also, the client can see the fee, or you can see the fee right away, and then send this to your client. All the fee, we have it here. And you can even create a rate alert for your client. So let's say the client say, that rate is good, but not good enough. I want to do it when it's 5.5%. Then you can create a rate alert, and then ask them for the name and email so that you can track the rate for them. And they will love you because they know that you are tracking the rate for them, so that you know for sure, 100% sure, that when rate drop, the client will refinance with you. And you track the rate for them. The moment that rate drop and hit what they want, they call you or you call them, right? So much potential. Right now, if the client say, I want 5.5%, most of you will say, I'm sorry, it's not there yet, and done. You lose the client, right? You lose the client because there's no way you can help them track the rate. There's no way you can maintain that communication with your client. At Loan Factory, you can create a rate alert for your client so that when rate drop, the client will call you. So, any questions so far? There are a lot of great features, and I'm pretty sure I won't have time to show you everything. That's why I want you to pay attention to what I say and think carefully so that it helps your business. Hello, hi, Vu.
Yeah, quick question. This is amazing technology. I've never seen anything like this. Is it exclusive to Loan Factory?
Pretty much, we do allow all the brokers to sign up and use our software, but we provide a lot of support, and we require minimum 4 users. But
Okay, I
this is a
appreciate that.
consumer-facing feature. There's a lot more feature. So let's say the client or you, the loan officer, want to fill out the application, right? The client can click on this. Click on the apply button, and the client can start answering, right? Answering question. They will enter the email, right? They will enter the email address and their name and the password. They will create an account. You notice how easy it is for the consumer. They will create an account, and then the system will start create an account for the borrower and allow the borrower to fill out the application. And here, look at this here. We have AI assisted application.
Wow.
So the client can use AI to help them. What they need to do is so easy. They just upload all the documents they have. Tax return, pay stub, driver license, W-2, bank statement. They just drag it here. And then AI will fill out everything for them. So we offer this, and I don't think anyone else out there have this.
No, not at all.
Yeah. So we have AI application. Or the consumer can choose to fill out manually. They can fill out the application manually. And our system is super smart. It will detect and know if the client applied with us in the past or not. And it will populate. If we have an application in the system, we will try to populate for the client. And we also play with Zillow and all and other internet company so that we can get the data on the internet for them. Let's say if they want to refinance, they enter their property, we will get the information on that property and populate it. So we will save a lot of time.
Oh.
And if the client move forward, they can pay for and pull their own credit report. So that will save you time.
Wow.
And even better than that, most loan officers are suffering right now with trigger lead, right? Your client, you pull credit for your client. The moment you pull it, there's hundreds of loan officers will call your client and steal them from you.
Yep.
Right? At Loan Factory, we stop that. We stop that.
How?
So the client can click the box and say authorize Loan Factory to put their number in the do not call list. So our staff will put it on in the do not call list every day for you. So when there's the new application, they stand by, they put your client information in the do not call list. That will stop all the calling. So these are just some examples to share with you how we solve problems. And if you do business and you keep run into problem that cause you to lose client, how can you be successful, right? So here we solve problem. Any problem you have, we solve it. You tell us, we solve the problem. Okay? So imagine you can rely on the company, rely on me, rely on all the resources that we have to help you so that you can be successful. And then on the last page, the system will understand the 1003 and generate the to-do, generate the list of the required document so that the client can upload document. And the system will, as soon as the client fill out the application, the system will send you a text message and tell you that, hey, loan officer, you have a new application.
Jeez.
You will pick up the phone and call the client. You can log in, you will log into the system. You see Kevin Smith is filling out the application. So you will pick up the phone and say, hey, Kevin, I saw that you are filling out the application right now. I love to help you. Have you run into any issue, any question? I can help you now. So that you will impress your client even more, because the moment they fill out the application, you know, you call them, you help them, you handhold them and walk them throughout the application, and they will love you, because filling out the application is the most difficult task for the borrower, and here you are, you're helping them. You're gonna spend like 5 minutes and get over with it. The client will love you. Okay, so our system is really good. We're good with communication. We're good with technology. We make things simple for our client. We are pushing out a mobile app for a loan officer, for the borrower, and for the realtor, your partner, so that all three of you can communicate easily using the app. We will change how mortgage is being done. So the borrower, almost all borrowers hate mortgage. It's too complicated, too much work, take too long, too confusing. They hate it. Imagine we change that. We make it so easy. It's like taking Uber. For sure, they will love you, right? And they will stay with you forever. So that's what we are working on right now. We might have that by the end of the year. We're going to release our mobile app. We have a mobile app version already. We are improving it right now. If you want, you can test it out. You can download it. So our mobile app will change how mortgage is being done. The consumer, they only want to do 4 things. They want to check rate. They want to fill out application. They want to give us all the document that you asked for. And they want to communicate with you, right? Everyone on the same page. So simple. So 4 things. And we already have the pricing engine, so easy to use. They love it. With the AI application, we make their life so easy. When they fill out the application, we are working on an improved version. When AI will interview them, AI will speak to them, and they will speak back. So when they use AI to fill out application, there's a few data that missing. AI will interview them, and they will answer. That's it. And they will interview in their language. So the application will be simple. And then if we need some document from them, let's say, hey, send me the latest bank statement. You will send them that message. And when they see the message on their app, they tap on it, take picture, and it's done. It's so easy. And all communication can be done through that. So imagine that when we offer the client that mobile app, it's so easy, the client will love you. So that's what we are working on. That's what we are working on. Hey, Nelson. Hello, Nelson.
Thanks for all the information. I was actually yesterday in Pasadena and I met you, so that was pretty cool. Just have a couple questions in reference to it. So there's a company that I'm working for. I'm trying to compare it, and make a final decision between them and, Loan Factory. As far as sponsorship goes, what is Loan Factory's fee per state? Also, is there a monthly fee that you guys charge just to have kind of like a technology fee, right? Which includes anything that you guys may have for us using your, proprietary software, etc. And as far as credit report goes as well.
So most of the question, please wait to the end because I'm gonna cover all that. And then at the end, you can ask all those questions.
Okay.
So
thank you.
Here are what we offer to our loan officer. We give you everything, all the technology we built. We have the best technology out there. Nobody can have better technology than us. And even better, we offer everything. Not only LOS or POS or pricing engine or CRM, we offer everything. It's all integrated, all together. Right now, you might have to buy LOS, POS, pricing engine, CRM separate. And these software don't come. And it costs you a lot of money, right? At Loan Factory, free. You don't have to pay, okay? And I would be the one that train you, help you, make sure you can be successful. Right now, when you work for your broker, I don't think they try their best to help you. Or even if they try, they are not a top loan officer. They are not my level. How can they help you if they're not a good loan officer themselves, right? So at Loan Factory, my goal is to help our loan officer. So whatever I do, whatever I know, I share with you to help you. And we have a team of 11 staff in our marketing department, and they are helping you. They help you create a customized image. They help you edit the video. They help you run an ads. So, and it's all free.
Wow.
Yeah, we also have an underwriting department to help you. We have 5 full-time underwriters who help you with difficult loan. Like you have a complicated loan, you don't know if they qualify or not, our underwriter can help you. If you have a non-QM loan that you don't know if any lender can do it, or what program or what rate that borrower can get, our underwriter can help you. So you will love our support, underwriting support, our underwriter. And on top of all of that, we don't charge monthly fee. No monthly fee, no technology fee, no junk fee, nothing. So if you join Loan Factory, for example, and in 6 months, you don't close any transaction, you pay nothing. You don't pay Loan Factory anything. Okay? So that is how we support you. We don't rip you up. We know that right now it's a difficult time for our loan officer. So why would we charge you, right? If you don't make any money. So nothing. And you don't need to produce any, we have no minimum production requirement. Okay? And the commission that lender pay us, you keep 100% minus a flat fee of $5.95, which is the best out there. If you compare to other company out there, they charge you more. They charge you more. So they charge you more than $5.95. So for example, Edge Home Finance, they charge you $9.95. Barrett Financial, they charge $6.95. So Nexa charge a lot more, you know. So I want you to compare every little thing that I'm telling you. I want you to compare because that is your business, right? And when you run a business, you have to compare everything, right? For your business. We charge only $500 for processing fee. Almost all lender or all broker out there charge you a lot more processing fee. No one can charge you less than us. Okay, and our processor do a lot more than other company and other processor. So our processor, the moment the loan is ready to be submitted, they will take over. They register the loan, they issue disclosure, they take care of condition, they take care of VOE, everything. They move the loan all the way to fund it for you. And then all you need to do is request the commission. Of course, you still have to lock the rate. And of course, you have to explain the cost to your client. And that is your job as the licensed loan officer. But they will do everything else for you. Okay? The commission can be 1099 or W2, depend on the states. Some of the state, you have to get paid in W2, like Nevada, Illinois, Massachusetts, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia. You know, some of the state, you have to be W2. And we set our lender pay compensation to 250 bps, except California, 200 bps. At Loan Factory, when we have lead in 42 states, we give it to our loan officers. We give it to our loan officers as a company lead, company loan. And these loans are very high quality. The client go to our website and fill out the application. So the chance that we close the loan is very high. And you do very little. So that's why we pay you only 25 bps for this company loan. But the loan belongs to you. You are the loan officers, and you can build that relationship with your client so that in the future, the client return for refinance or new purchase, new transaction, they will ask you to help them. It's your client then. Okay? And we also have a referral program. When you refer loan officer to Loan Factory, you can earn up to $5,000. Okay? Any question for this? We only have one fee, and this is a one-time fee. one-time startup fee for $100 to cover startup fee. For like when we sponsor you, we have to pay the stake. So that's why we charge $100. And we want to make sure that you are serious when you join Loan Factory. So it's only one time $100 startup fee. So why Loan Factory, right? You are sitting here, you ask the question, why do I have to join Loan Factory, right? And this is my job to answer that question, right? You should join Loan Factory because we give you the best rate so that you turn around and offer to your clients. We also allow you to provide excellent service to your client. Earlier, I said that many of you fail to retain your client. Many of you help the client and they walk away forever. They will not come back to you. We can change that. We will make sure that every single client that helped by you, they will love you and they will not walk away. So we have excellent customer service. Look at how many 5-star reviews that we have. 8,500 5-star reviews. And we have a perfect score, the 5-star review, a perfect one. And you can go here, the client can go here to verify that. But some of you might wonder why or how you can have so many 5-star reviews, and it's why you can get a perfect review, right? Some of you know very well that in mortgage, it is so difficult to make sure all your clients are happy with you. The moment that the loan got denied, they got mad at you. The moment that you make a little mistake, they get mad at you. The moment that you do something wrong, they blame you. And they blame you because the loan is take too long, too much paperwork. You keep going back and forth asking for the same document. You're asking for difficult document. They are already upset. So if something goes wrong, they blame you. So the key here is to change that. And at Loan Factory, we have a process we call do-it-yourself mortgage. Your client will check the rate on our website. They fill out the application. They upload document. They monitor the rate. So what happens is when the client finishes the application, you go in, you review the 1003. You verify the document. You make sure everything good. You price the loan. And you decide where to submit the loan to. You decide how much you want to make on that loan. And then you call the client up. Hey, Kevin, I have reviewed your loan. I'm going to submit your loan to the lender now. I just created a rate alert for you. The rate alert will email you the rate every morning. So can you check your email every morning at 9 a.m.? And if you like the rate, call me so I can lock the rate for you. If you don't like the rate, we can wait. But remember, we cannot wait too long, maybe a week or 2 or 10 days. We must lock the rate because we have to close the loan. We cannot wait too long. So when you explain to them like that, they would love to check their email every morning to monitor the rate, and they will call you when they want to lock the rate. Unlike many cases in the past, the client called me and say, Tuan, what happened? Yesterday the rate was so good, but you didn't tell me to lock the rate. Now rate went up. It's your fault. You didn't help me monitor the rate. I don't know anything about mortgage. You're supposed to monitor the rate for me and lock it for me. Now rate went up. What can you do for me? I'm not happy. So it's just one example to share with you that it's easy to get the client to get mad at you. But if you build a different process, you get them involved and they are happy to do everything for you, then there's no reason why they get mad at you. If they missed, they didn't check the rate, it's their problem. They didn't tell you to lock the rate, it's their problem. If they fill out the application and then they enter the wrong address or email address or social security number, it's their problem, right? They cannot blame you. So the key here is how to make sure the client won't blame you and they're happy to work with you. So, and then when every loan, the processor, their goal is to collect 5-star review from the client for you because they earn a bonus. The company pay them a bonus, right? So imagine your business change so that every single client work with you, they are impressed by you, by the technology. They are impressed because you give them the best rate. They're impressed because you allow them visibility. They are in control. They know what's going on. They feel comfortable. They feel that you're always available to pick up the phone and talk to them and help them. So they love you. And therefore, they will never leave you. Imagine that happen. Your business will pick up. So these are some. And then one more thing is about Rocket Mortgage. Rocket Mortgage is our main lender, main partner. And I know that most of you work with UWM, right? And I want to compare UWM versus Rocket. If you join Loan Factory, here are what you will get. Rocket will allow you to pull credit report on their website for free. Will UWM allow that? Rocket will help you. So let's say if the client credit score is low, like 690, and you know when you pull credit report on the top, they say how many points the score can go up, right? So Rocket can help you increase that score and give your client a better rate while they underwrite the loan, while they work on the loan. So that is the second benefit. The third benefit is they give a 20-day free extension. So you never have to pay extension fee anymore. The fourth benefit is you don't have to pay EPO to Rocket. No EPO if someone else refinance your client. So these are great benefits, and you should ask the question, does UWM offer you this? Does your broker right now offer you this? How much money you can save on that? And they give Loan Factory 10 basis points special compared to all other lenders or all other broker. So you get better rate. So those are something that I want to share with you. And then at Loan Factory, we give you your own website. Your own website. So for example, so let's say here are all the loan officer at Loan Factory. We have almost 1,400 loan officer, and you can see, let's say Gustavo. No, every loan officer will have a profile page, right? And you can, 1 second. So here, like, he has his own website with his own domain name. So you can buy your own domain name and we can make it your website. So we offer you this website for free. And you can customize your website. Look like he messed it up. He didn't do it correctly. So let's say Patrick, he has his own website, yourmoo.com. And on your website, you have your pricing engine. It's exactly like the main website, where you have a pricing engine and the application and the information about yourself, your review, all that. So we build this website for you for free. Okay. Any questions so far?
Yeah, Tuan, real quick, with this website that's our own, if they went in and just did the application on our website, then it would automatically go to, let's say, our notifications in our application, right?
Yes,
Wow.
it's your portal. You
Wow.
don't have to give your client a dummy link anymore. You can
Right.
tell your client, hey, go to bluewin.com or go to mynameloanofficer.com or go to vickeymortgagequeen.com. You know, you can come up with a good name. People will remember it forever. You promote that domain name because you own it, you
Hmm.
know. And we empower you. So the moment
Yeah.
the client fill out the application, you get notified, you log in, you help the client. And it's free. There's a lot more. Let me share with you. There's a lot more. So let me log into the website and share with you. So I will log into the website. Yeah, I want to take a little break. So I'm going to log into the website. But I love for you to think really hard. This is your chance to ask me a lot of questions to help your business. It can be anything. It can be about loan factory. It's about me, about how I do things. You know, it could be anything to help your business. So, no, let me log into the system.
Do you do correspondence also?
Yes, yes. So at Loan Factory, we are licensed in 48 states, and we can do correspondent loan in 10 states. And our pricing for correspondent is the same as wholesale. So unlike many broker companies, they charge you extra or they give you higher rate. And that's why I want you to compare everything, everything. We are so confident that everything we do are better. Not one, two, three things, but everything can be better than your company. And I challenge you, wherever you want it, just ask me everything. I want to challenge you. So I'm going to take a few minutes break and ask you a question and take your question. Hello, hi, Vicky. I cannot hear you. Can you unmute it? Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
I was just curious. My interest is on commercial and mobile home loans. So I wasn't sure the flat fee, I think was the $595. Does that apply also for those types of loans as well?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes. So I want to introduce you to our marketplace. You will love it. You will love our marketplace because when you go here, you can see that we work with 222 lenders, right? And these lenders are live to talk to you. They are live. So you can click on it and meet them face to face and ask questions. Okay. And you can look up any lender you want to by this drop down. You can, let's say if you have a private loan, you don't know which lender can help you, you can select private loan and you will see that 76 lender offer that. And here are the private loan. And you can email them, email this lender a scenario. You can click on it so that you can
Oh my gosh.
email all of them. Save you.
That's super easy.
Yeah, you will love everything I do. I will share with you. You will be impressed because look back at the past. How many times you said no to your client and your realtor because you couldn't find a lender that helped them, right? Now you don't have to suffer anymore. You can help your client, you can build a relationship, you can build a trust, and you can make money. Any type of loan. So you can say commercial loan, go to commercial loan and see that we have 35 lenders that can do commercial loan. And all you need to do is click on it and call this AE to talk to them about the loan or email them all, you know.
Do
And
you
they
also
will,
have construction
yeah.
loans as well? Okay.
Yes. So you go down here, you can see reverse mortgage, land, child
Okay.
loan, which is mobile home loan. We have that.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay,
I know that
great.
most people say no to a lot of your clients. And you know, some of you are broker owner, but as a broker owner, you work with only 2 or 3 lenders, and that is limit your choice, right? You cannot help your clients. So working with Loan Factory, you can do these. You know, SBA loan. You can go to the program here and select some other like construction loan, and you can see 47 lender, right? So we build a marketplace for you to reach out to lenders so that they can help you, right? And then when you go to Loan Factory here, you see we have a support specialist who always live available to help you. So let's say you run into any problem with technology, marketing, system, loan processor, anything you have problem, you can go here and click on this and talk to this person. They will help you. That support, I don't think your company is offering you right now, right? And you can see that we even offer support on Saturday and Sunday. We have underwriting support during this time. You can have underwriter available to talk to you live. Okay. So even better, let's say some of you are brand new loan officer. Some of you are brand new loan officer. Some of you are brand new loan officer. Can we mute? The mentor here. You can see a list of mentors and you can join them. There's a lot of mentor. You can see a list of team and you can join this team. You can see the description about them, and you can create your own team too if you're good. So we build a marketplace where you can come together and help each other. Okay. So if you are a brand new loan officer, we pay you only 80% instead of 100%. However, if you join a team or a mentorship, we pay you 100%. So that you have money to pay the mentor or the team leader. Got it? So the next feature is lender finder, where if you post a scenario, the lender will get back to you. So you ask all the lender, and the lender will get back to you. Like this loan officer asks a question, asks a scenario, and the lender say they can help. Okay. So basically, you can have a way to post a scenario and ask the lender if they can help you. Here's the event. So you can see that we have all event here, like loan officer webinar. I'm working. Some of the event you can learn from the lender, or here is the loan officer success series. So this is the training that I offer, the training. So every month we have 4 training. 2 is conducted by me. 2 is conducted by Jessica. So we have 4 training to help new loan officer. And you can see company meeting this Friday. We have weekly sales call. I will host it this Friday. You can learn another training by me, the pricing, how you do the pricing. So I will be training on November 11th. Jessica is our COO. She can do LO and operation weekly meet, and she will answer any question you have. So you can see this another trainer can offer you how to navigate the system and the process so you understand more. So we have a lot of training, right? And for the past training, for the completed training here, you can watch it. Some of the here you can watch it here. So some of the event you can watch it. You can go in and watch it. So there's a lot of opportunity for you to learn and get support, live support. So this marketplace is amazing. It helps a lot of people. And there's some announcement here. You can check all the vendors here. You can see the third-party processor here. So there's a lot of things going on. And I'm gonna take a break. Any question? Hi, Nelson.
Hi there. So I have a question for you. I definitely, if I hop on board, I'm just gonna start with two of my major states. Obviously, California being my resident one. But let's say later on, things start picking up, and I love the flow, the process, and I want to add more of my other licenses that are pretty much in limbo right now. How does that go about? Is there an extra cost adding those, or?
The only thing we charge is $30 per state if the state charges loan factory. If not, we don't charge you anything. We will sponsor you.
Okay, and it doesn't matter the timeline, so it can be let's say a month from now or 4 months from now.
Anytime you want to add more state, we will help you.
Okay, nice, thank you.
Thank you, Nelson. Hi, Alan. Hello,
Hi,
Alan.
hi. Just a quick question on your credit report fees. How much is that and when is it collected?
$70 per trimester, and it's the package. So it's they don't charge legal fee like reissue fee or credit supplement. So they charge $70 per pool trimester.
Okay, is that collected upfront?
Yes, you have to pay for it, or your client can pay for it upfront. And when the loan is closed, we will get that money back for you. We will charge the client.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you. Hello, Chris.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, good afternoon. I have a quick question, but I'm not sure if this question belongs to this topic right here. But I wanted to ask regarding marketing. Should I wait for that till the end?
No, you can ask now.
Oh, yeah. I wanted to ask.
Wait a little bit. I'm sorry. Wait a
Okay.
little bit.
Yeah, no
Hi,
problem.
David.
No
Hi,
worries.
David.
Yes, sorry, I was on mute before. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
I've been out of the industry a little while and I'm getting back in. So can you explain the mentorship again? Is there a fee to opt to have a mentor?
So, of course, you want someone to help you, right? And
Right.
you want someone good to help you. So, a list of mentor, and you can pick whoever mentor you want to work with. Some mentor charge more than the other. So you can call them and interview them and talk to them to see how they're going to help you, right? And if you like that mentor, you sign up and work with that mentor. Most mentor don't charge you any monthly fee or any fee. However, almost all of them want you to split the commission with them.
Right.
And the split can be 80-20 or 70-30 for the first 3 transactions. And I think it's very reasonable. You should not worry about your commission when you are new, consider new. You need help. So what you should worry is, how can I work with someone who can help you so that you can get deals, you can get loans, and you can close them, and you can learn, so that after 3 transactions, you become a good loan officer. You can go out there and bring in a lot more business. So mentorship is the great way, and I recommend for you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Ken.
Hi there. Hey, third-party processors. Do we have to use yours or can we use our current one?
Good question. So because of compliance, you have to use our processor. By law, the processor has to be either independent third-party processor or in-house processor. We will not allow anyone to help you. That person have to be an employee of the company or in-house processor, or they have to be a third-party independent processor. So we will not allow anyone to process your loan. And we recommend you to use our in-house processor. They will take good care of your loan, your client, and you pay only $500 per loan. And if we don't close any loan, you don't pay it. If the loan is not closed, you don't pay anything. Yeah. Thank you, Ken. Hi, Nelson.
Hi there. Yeah, I'm just piggybacking on that question Ken had. So let me get this straight. We cannot use one because right now I do have a third-party independent processor that I've known. She's great, and there's a small flat fee that she does for processing the loans. If I proceed with Loan Factory, I can no longer send her loans to process. I have to use loan process from
It's
Loan Factory.
like that. It's likely because this processor has a license, must be a company that has a license. It cannot be anyone for compliance. And if the third-party processor has a license in 1 or 2 states, it's not worth it for Loan Factory to work with them. You know, we want to work with big processing company so that they can help a lot of loan officers. So because we are a big company in 48 states, we cannot afford to work with so many little processors out there. So, but I recommend you to try us out, our processor. You will like them because we train them so well. They know what to do to take good care of your client. They will ask for the review as well, the Google review. They will follow your instruction. They will work with you like your assistant. And one thing is good is the client will love you and your processor because you work together as a team. So now you can tell the client that, hey, I have an assistant. We work together as a team. My processor will work with you to clear the condition so that we can close on time. Yeah, thank you, Nelson. Hello, hi, Jim.
Hi, do you have like something like Pathfinder? How Rocket Mortgage offers Pathfinder. Do you have something like that just in case we need some? We can find it ourselves.
For Pathfinder, you can go to, you can log, you can have an account with Rocket. You can log into the website and use Pathfinder. However, we have something even better. You know, our pricing engine help you locate a good program automatically. You don't need to rely on Pathfinder. And if you notice here on the bottom right here, you can see my little icon here. You can click on it. And then you can see our AI. Our AI, you can ask any question about Loan Factory. Like how many loans application do I have? What is the difference between jumbo and commercial loan? Show me the best rate today. They give you the accurate rate today. Our AI is so smart. You can ask like, how can Loan Factory grow really fast? Or they can fill out an application for you. Say, create a loan application. It will create an application for you. It will interview you. So this is our AI to help you.
So something like I have a question about private loan on a property. I can ask AI and you'll answer me.
Yes, all of the guidelines, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, USDA, FHA guideline, you can ask them. You can ask them. It's exactly like ChatGPT, but it has mortgage component on it, and it has the Loan Factory on it. So you can use it, and it's free. Also, you can see that on the bottom here, we have Training Academy. So we have an academy to help you learn. So our academy, these are the classes that we have. So you can take the class, or you can learn our best practice, loan officer best practices. You can get trained in here and it's free. So let's say you click here, then you can start learning this class. It's starting with loan life cycle, 3 part. You can click on part 1 and you can start taking lesson. Introduction, you can go down the list. It will show you so that, and after you learn, you can take a quiz. You can do exercise. So these are free, no cost, but like other company, they charge you money. Here, we build the classes so that we can take it for free. Okay. And let me continue to share with you. So yeah, you can work with your referral partner. Like here, you have a referral realtor. You can add them in here so that you can track how many you refer to them and how many they refer to you. You can track the loan progress. You can create a follow-up so that you can call them. So this is how I manage my loan officer, my realtor, so that they will like me. So I have a lot of realtors. I add them into this page so that I can work with them. I monitor, I communicate with them. I know what I need to do with them. I can create a follow-up, a flag, so that it helps me track what I need to do. Commission requests. You can, after the loan is closed, you can go here and request a commission. If you have a question, you need help, you can create a ticket, and you can assign the ticket to support team, marketing team, credit upgrade team, project team, customer service, vendor, training, academy, underwriting team, feedback, if you have any feedback, accounting team. So you can create a ticket and assign to all of these departments, and they will get back to you. So that are the support that we have. Facebook ads. Here I'm going to go over some of the marketing feature that we have. First, a lot of you want to have lead, right? And a lot of you are buying lead, and the quality of lead are not good, and they are expensive. So it's better for you to run your own ads and get lead. But most of you don't know how to do that. So we build a feature to help you. It's super fast. We said 1 minute you can get it done. So first, I want to create a new Facebook ad, and you can select if you want the lead to the lead form, or you want website traffic to your website or your lead funnel. So you can select, and you'll be amazed by what we offer. Earlier today, I told you about the 2-1 lender pay by now. I show you about the $1,000 lowest rate guarantee, right? Now there's another program called 2% rent here. The client down 1%, the lender will you give the client 2%. So you can promote this. You can promote this first-time buyer program in Texas. You can promote a refinance. You can promote Spanish ads, or you can promote $1,000 back program. So that's, you promote 2-1 buy down, paid by the lender. You can promote this by clicking there, and here we've done everything for you. We have the description, the text on the post, the image. All you need to do is enter the daily budget, let's say $10, and you want to end it at the end of November. And you can decide where you want to run it, like how many states. You can delete some of the state. You can select the language, who you want to target. So we do, and then submit, and it's done. So it's so easy. So when the lead is arrived, you can be notified as well. So you have a checkbox here. Say receive a notification to your cell phone when a new lead is created. So when Facebook user, they see your ad, they tap on it, they give you their information. It will end up in our system, our lead. It will end up here, and you get a text message so that you can call. You can log in and then you call them. Okay. Any question about this Facebook lead? It's so powerful. Yes.
Very powerful.
Yes. And these are the ads that I run with myself, and I see good result. And that's why I built it and share it with you so that you can run ads yourself. So with marketing, you can do a lot more things. We have tons of images for you to generate. So every week we create a lot of images. We add it here. So Anything you like, you can generate it, and it have your picture on the bottom, your information on the bottom. So you can customize it in seconds and then post it on your social media. We have hundreds of these, and these are great images, great marketing collateral for you to post. You know, we have a lot, and it's all beautiful. It's all very attractive. We have a lot more. You know, you can do a co-marketing with your realtor. You can promote the realtor. You can promote the realtor, right? You can promote a review. Let's say you get a 5-star review. You can generate it and then post it. Let's say you want to promote a holiday. You can promote a rate. You want to promote a loan program. You want to promote a fast to clear loan. Let's say you clear it in 10 days. You can promote it. You can generate this, you know.
Wow.
So much, and it's like second. You get it and you post it.
Yeah.
And even
can you post
yes,
directly to your social media on the LOS? You're
that
kidding
we are
me.
working on that. We are working on that so we can allow you to log in and write, and then say, oh, I want to post this on Monday, this one on Wednesday. I want to post it on Friday. I want to post this on Sunday. You can schedule ahead for the full month on your social media. So we are working on that feature right now. You know.
Quick question.
Yes.
Is your LOS built on the platform of Go High Level?
No, we build everything ourselves.
Wow.
You don't have to pay anyone, any other software. We give you everything you need. Everything you need. We have that for you.
Okay.
So
this is amazing.
Yeah, you will learn. You will be more impressed later on. I'm keep showing you more and more. So
what about the Facebook ad spend? How does that show?
Facebook ads what? I'm sorry.
So we have to pay for the ad spend, right?
Of course, you have to pay for it. You have to pay Facebook, not Loan Factory.
Right.
We don't charge you anything, but Facebook will charge you, and you need to pay so that Facebook will promote your ad. You know, they make a lot of money, of course. And
do we do that through your website, or do we go to Facebook to set up the budget?
Yeah, we build a website for you, and we build this for you. We build a lot for you. So, let's see what we built for you. We build lead funnel. Where is it? We do a lot for you. So let's see where the general setting.
Tuan, my apologies. I got to head out because of an appointment, but this has been fantastic. I do look forward to speaking to one of your assistants right afterwards.
Thank you, Abu. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah. All right. Well, sounds good. You guys take care. Have a good one.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm sorry. There's so much to share, and that's why it's dragging out. If you have to leave, go ahead and leave, but I have a lot more to share. So basically, we have email drip campaign, and some of you know about it. It's super powerful. So on the email drip campaign, you can set up holiday campaign. So on a holiday, it will send an email to your client. My system is so slow. So we have holiday campaigns. We have follow-up campaign. So you can drip your client, drip your prospect. You can drip all of them. So, for example, the key here is we give you everything powerful, and it's so easy to use. Unlike Go High Level and some other CRM, some other software out there, it's way too complicated for you to do anything. You are confused, and you pay them a lot of money. All you need to do is turn it on. You can drip your realtor, you can drip your client, and then you can do follow-up campaign. You can send email to all your closed loan clients or lead or prospect. You can turn it on. We have mailing list, which is also super powerful. Like yesterday, I talked in Pasadena. I have a list of 900 people, so I drip them. I send an email to all of these loan officers. So you can create a mailing list of 200 realtors and email them. You can create a mailing list of all your past clients and email them whenever you want. So we have marketing setting here where you set up your social media link. You can set up your Facebook ads. You can set up your lead funnel, which is very powerful. Some of you don't know what is lead funnel. You should learn about it. A lead funnel, just like Bankrate or Landing Tree, we set up a series of questions so that we capture lead. We have subscription, which is like newsletter, and we have emails newsletter or text newsletter. So we have so much to help you. You can set up your website with a lot of customization. You can set up your website URL, your own domain name. You can enable Facebook chat on your website. You can turn on this $1,000 lowest rate guarantee. You can post video on your website. You can do a lot. You can post your bio. So I can go on and go on, but there's so much to share with you. I would like to take questions.
So I'm in California and I was reviewing the independent contract agreement, and it's mentioned there was a admin fee plus the processing fee. Is that correct? Or
yeah, for 1099 you pay only 2 fees for every closed loan. The admin fee $595 and the processing fee $500. But if you are W2, we pay you only 90% instead of 100%. That is the difference between 1099 and W2. Thank you, Richard.
but in
Yeah.
California, it's the 1099, correct?
1099, correct. Hi, Nelson.
Hi there. Yes. So I had a question in reference to the whole. I had seen how you gave the presentation for the referral with the realty. Let's say, for example, I don't have a license in Utah, but I know somebody that wants to refinance or buy there. Can I refer that loan over to a licensed Utah loan officer within Loan Factory? Maybe some type of commission split or something like that, or no?
The only time you can get paid is if you are W2. Then if you refer a client like that, we pay you 50% or 50 bit a commission. But if you are 1099, we cannot pay you. This is compliant. Respect.
Okay.
And I recommend you to get the license there so that you can earn the commission and keep the client with you.
Mm-hmm.
The new license is super easy and fast. So that's what I recommend.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Nelson. Yeah. Anyone have more questions for me? I love to answer your question.
So I'm kind of new to it. In terms of a purchase transaction, how does that work? Is it's like they haven't found the house yet. They just want to get the pre-approval letter. So it's kind of a drawn out process. Does the processing department get involved? Where do they get involved? You know, that kind of.
Good question. So basically, you direct your client to your website to fill out the application, right? They fill out application, they upload document. You will log in, review everything. You can do a soft pull if you want, and then issue the pre-approval letter if you think the client qualifies. As the loan officer, you can issue the pre-approval letter. One click, you issue it. As soon as you determine the client qualifies, you click the button to issue the pre-approved letter to your client. However, if you want to give the client TBD approval, that means you want to send the loan to the lender and have the underwriter to review and approve the loan for you and issue you the TBD approval. We can do that. You can ask the processor to do that for you, and it's free. We don't charge you on that. It's a lot of work though, but we want to help you, so we support you, and we will submit the loan to the lender for TBD approval. I hope I answered your question. Thank you, Richard.
Yes.
Hello, hi, Jen.
Do you have a a value estimator function?
No, that one you can look up on Zillow.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, it's free with the other website. Hello, hi Ken.
Yeah, so licensed in multiple states, can I be W-2'd in one state and 1099 in another?
No, that will be conflicting. If you are W-2, you W-2 everywhere. If you are 1099, you 1099 everywhere.
Okay, so how do I confirm? Let's say state of Utah. Am I able to be 1099 in Utah?
Yes, Utah is a 1099 state. So there's a list of 13 states that you have to be W-2 if you want to do loan there. So if you want to be 1099, you should avoid those states.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ken. And of course, you can ask my onboarding team. They can answer any question you have, you know. But I love to answer any question that you have for me. Feel free to ask me. Hello, Melanie. Hello,
Hi, good afternoon. I may have missed the answer for the soft pools. What is the fee for that? Is that like half of the price? Is it like 35?
So the soft pool is $12.50 per bureau, per borrower.
Gotcha. And then so that's $150 per bureau, but we can't issue the pre-approval off of the soft pool. Is that what you said, or maybe I missed that part?
So it's $12.50 per bureau.
Oh, $12.50. I'm sorry. Okay.
And as the loan officer, you can issue the pre-approval whenever you want to. It's up to you to issue the pre-approval. So in general, there are two types of pre-approval. One is you review everything and make sure the client qualifies and you issue it. Another type of pre-approval, we call that TPD approval, or it's underwritten approval. So you send the whole package to the underwriter for them to review and issue pre-approval for you.
Got it. Okay. And then I did have one other question regarding the CEUs. I've noticed that you offer CEUs on your website. Do we have to join before purchasing that, or can I join? Like if I wanted to purchase it today, can I do that?
What do you mean CEU? Sorry, can you say?
Continuing education.
Continue education, you mean?
Yes.
So your license should be active.
Yeah.
And you can join us now. We can sponsor you. At the same time, you should finish up your CE course, ASAP, and renew. You don't want to be late. So yes, you can join us. We will sponsor you, and you can take CE course right away. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi, Nelson.
Yes. So let's say I love everything so far that I've heard, and I want to log into an MLS right now and have the unsponsorship done with the current company I'm with, and want you guys to do it. How quick can I be onboarded and have access to your guys's?
Normally a few days, and our onboarding specialist will allow you access to our system right away, so that you can learn from us, learn the system. The only thing is you have to wait for NMLS to approve before you can originate loan with us.
Right, correct.
All right. Fast, only a few days, very fast. Thank you, Nelson.
Thank you.
Hello, Vicky.
Yes, I was curious, how many sources do you have for mobile home loans?
We have 4 lenders right now, and that's
Okay.
not many lenders out there. It's very limited.
Okay. And then if we're doing refinances through your office, are we able to select our own escrow partners that we are using already?
Yeah, we allow that. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. But we recommend 𝐅𝐅𝐅𝐈𝐂𝐃 because they are really cheap, really good. It's really good. But it's up to you. Hello, Ken.
Yeah, awesome presentation. I've seen you a few times. Thank you.
Thank you.
The 1% commission, is that fixed? Any leeway in that?
Yeah, that is a good question. It's up to you to decide the commission. So basically, we have lender pay compensation. With lender pay compensation, you cannot change at all. It's 250 bip for all the states except California. California is 200 bip, 2%. But when you have a loan, you can decide to switch it to borrow pay and lower your compensation. So it's up to you to decide. It can be 150, 125, 175. It's up to you.
Okay, but the lender paid is fixed for most states at 250?
Correct. Or you can send the loan into our correspondent channel and you can adjust your comp, and we allow that.
And is that allowed once a month or any loan?
Any loan.
Any loan at any time we can adjust it?
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Kent. Any question? Pedro, can you fix your mic yet?
I think it's something wrong with my mic. I'm not sure.
Okay. I think it's good now.
Oh, okay. My question was regarding if you have DRE with NMLS endorsement and DFPI, do you have to do the W-2?
No, we allow you to be 1099.
Okay, and is it like essentially the same process for an MLO or a broker? Like, do we have to unwind our brokerage, or how does that work?
It's the same. You don't have to unwind it. I don't have to enforce that. I don't have to force you to close down your brokerage. So, yeah, we allow that as long as the state allows that. But if you keep your brokerage, you have additional costs and compliance and audit and all that. So if it doesn't make sense, you should close it. That's what I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Pedro. It's up to you. Thank you. Hi, Amadip.
Hi.
Yeah.
I have two questions. One is I also do real estate. So in that case, I can keep my existing broker for real estate. But in that case, I have to change my license from DRE to DFPI. Just confirm that that is what I have to do. And second, is that accurate?
Yeah, that's 100% correct. You can keep
Okay.
your DRE with your real estate broker, and you can hang your DFPI license under loan factory.
Okay. Okay. And I'll call an MLS to figure out the process to do that.
Yes.
The other question I have is, and I had this access to your demo site and I was trying to look at it. So I was doing a scenario which was more like a basically high balance loan. And the options it showed me were all with higher points, right? And is that because is it limited access or that's all the lenders? And in some cases for jumbo and high balance, the options may not be all of the options.
If you
So
log
just curious.
in, if you log into your account, let's say after you join, you have an account, you log in, if you run that, you can see a lot more options. So
Okay.
for the consumer, you only see like 5 rates. But if you log in, you can see all of the rate here. Look at so many options, so many lenders. You can
Okay.
see everything. Yeah, you can see more.
Okay, sounds good. I just wanted to confirm because I was like comparing to that and I just didn't see that rate options, but understand that. Thank you.
You can see more. Here's the screen. You can see I get ran it. I log in, so I can see a lot of different options, a lot of different rates. You can go really low or really high.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I hope that this section is useful and you learn a lot more about Loan Factory. I want you to always think, right? From marketing to support to pricing to technology, everything we do is improve our bottom line, improve our business so that the client will be happy with us, with you, right? So that is what I want you to be. I want your business to get better and better so that your client will love you. Every client come to you, they love you, they stay with you, they don't shop. They cannot, you will not lose client anymore. And marketing is really important as well. If you join Loan Factory, you have so many ways you can promote yourself. You can get new clients easier. So one thing I want to challenge all of you is compare, right? You need to compare everything. At Loan Factory, you can work with mentor, with team. You have a lot of flexibility. You have access to the technology. You don't pay us anything every month. You don't pay us anything. So I want you to compare. And if you still have questions, you can ask my onboarding specialist, or you can reach out to me. I love to chat with you more if you still have a concern. But I really wish you all the best. Market is tough right now, but this business is very rewarding. We are here to support you. We even have Spanish-speaking processor for many of you. So if you need Spanish-speaking processor, we have that. So thank you, everyone, for joining me. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Tuan.
Thank you. Thank you.